The Princess and the Pea. Once upon a time, there was a prince who wanted to marry a princess. But she must be a real princess, one who is truly of royal blood. He travelled all over the world to find one, but nowhere could he get what he wanted. There were princesses enough, but it was difficult to find out whether they were real princesses. There was always something about them that was not quite right. So he came home again and was quite sad, for he wished so much to have a real princess. One evening, a terrible storm came on. There was thunder and lightning, and the rain poured down in buckets. Suddenly, a knocking was heard at the city gate, and the old king went to open it. It was a princess standing out in the front of the gate. But good gracious, what a sight the rain and wind had made her look! The water ran down from her hair and her clothes. It ran in at the top of her shoes and out of the heel. Yet she said that she was a real princess. Well, we'll soon find out about that, thought the old queen. But she said nothing, and went into the bedchamber, took all the bedding off the bedspread, then laid a pea at the bottom. Then she took 20 mattresses and laid them on top of the pea, and then 20 eider-down beds on top of the mattresses. On this, the princess had to lie all night. In the morning, she was asked how she slept. "Oh, very badly," she said. "I have scarcely closed my eyes all night. Heaven only knows what was in that bed, but I lay on something so hard that I am black and blue all over my body. It was horrible." Now they knew that she was a real princess, because she had felt the pea right through 20 mattresses and the 20 eider-down beds. Nobody but a real princess could be so sensitive. So the prince took her for a wife, for now he knew that he had found a real princess. And the pea was put into a museum where it may still be seen, if nobody has stolen it.